Chiang Mai, where I am traveling with train from here. This is the Chiang Mai railway station, and I'm gonna take the train to Bangkok with the second class sleeper AC train. So this is where you can have the bed to yourself, sleep at night. We have different classes. So this is the seating train where you can't sleep, you're just supposed to sit and then finish your journey. But we do have other trains, coaches where you can sleep also. Chiang Mai is in the north of Thailand and Bangkok is in the south. So it's gonna take me around 12 hours to finish my journey. So this is how my coach looks like. This is in the AC sleeper class train I'm traveling. There are other classes also where you don't get the air conditioning room. So here you get two beds on both sides so you can sleep. It's best, you know, for night traveling.